Good evening. We're on the Aussie dollar versus the US dollar here on ITM Saturn Pro timeframe M5 using the Fibonacci retracement tool, automatically calculated Fibonacci retracements, showing us that a correction is now appearing that we need to go and trade. So the Aussie dollar, we're going to execute a one-touch option here, targeting a no-touch opportunity. The current market price is around the 0.8991 mark, and according to ITM Saturn Pro, the 0.8993 level is a strong reversal level that has already been triggered. The arrow indicates a reversal is imminent and that price is just retracing to the 50% or 61.8% of that pin bar. So we're going to take a no-touch trade going away from the target price of 0.8993. This trade implies that we are bidding, according to ITM Saturn Pro's indication, that price will not touch 0.8994 or 8993 for the duration of this trade, which is a 37-minute trade that's been taken in this direction. According to ITM Saturn Pro, there is a strong pin bar reversal, especially since it's a negative bar. Price is just retraced after the negative bar. That is exactly how a negative bar should be traded. Plus, it's a pin bar reversal off of a key put zone level, according to ITM Saturn Pro. So we're going to now pause the video shortly and come back just a few minutes before 7:30 to see how this trade is panned out and show you the results. Okay, we're back. We have 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining on this trade. As you can see, the trade has matured into a beautiful no-touch trade on the Aussie dollar here. Expiry time at 19:30. In just a few minutes' time, we initially executed a $5,000 investment, which was a no-touch trade going away from the price 0.89936. According to ITM Saturn Pro, that level had a high probability of success for a correction because of the pin bar reversal, especially because it was a negative bar pin bar reversal. And ITM Saturn Pro essentially told us that 0.8993 will not be approached again for a reasonable amount of time. Hence, this is a high probability opportunity to go against the price at that level. We found a one-touch option in Binary International's platform, which basically said, would you like to trade a no-touch for 0.8993 as the target price, which means that you are bidding that price will not touch that level again anytime soon. We took the trade and we're now in this trade comfortably in the money for quite a while now. As you can see, this was a very long trade. This was 37 minutes long, executed at 53 and to expire at 19:30. It's now triggering another reversal level, has successfully breached reversal number 1 on ITM Saturn Pro and is continuing short. We have 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining on this trade, and it's already so comfortably in the money we can consider it a guaranteed winner. However, we will stay till the expiration of this trade to show you exactly what happens, how it happens, and continue our commentary here, showing you exactly why we took the trade and why it's been such a success. Whenever the retracement tools combined with the arrows, particularly the arrows indicating pin bar reversals on negative bars like the one you see on screen here, these are very, very high probability trades in whatever direction the market may be trending in. You can take counter trend trades or you can take retracement trades with the trend. In this case, we are trading a correction because the correction was a high probability correction indicated by ITM Saturn Pro with confluence using the pin bar you saw earlier, as well as the level 0.8993 indicated by ITM Saturn Pro as a highly confluent reversal level because of the put zone there. And you just see the price traversing into the reversal territory so fast immediately after that. This is how corrections can be traded with very high probabilities, especially when you have a tool like ITM Saturn Pro to your availability. Now, in such situations in ITM Saturn Pro, particularly when you see a Fibonacci retracement and a pin bar reversal arrow, they hold precedence over the data you see on the left-hand side in the panel. So if, as you saw earlier, the prediction was 100% high call option, that is due to change when Fibonacci and pin bar reversals come into the picture. That is why ITM Saturn Pro is a price action analytics system. It shows you exactly how to trade a reversal, how to trade with the trend, and how it revises data on the left-hand side when those precedent factors like pin bar reversals and Fibonacci retracements come into the picture. This, as you can see, was a beautifully taken pin bar reversal, and it's continuing to go on to expiration shortly. Just a minute or so left in this trade, and the next target for is 23.6% retracement as seen by ITM Saturn Pro and drawn for you automatically. A very nice no-touch trade here for a $5,000 investment with a $3,500 net return on a gross return of $8,500. We have 22 seconds remaining in this trade, and as you can see, we've been in the money ever since we took the trade. This trade hasn't left the money at all. This is why we take high probability trades using ITM Saturn Pro. This is why ITM Saturn Pro is such a benevolent solution to have when trading one-touch options or any kind of options, really, as long as price is in your favor and as long as ITM Saturn Pro is associating high probabilities with that particular action that you're about to take. In our case, it was a no-touch option on the Aussie dollar because we were convinced, according to ITM Saturn Pro's layout, that price was not going to retrace to 0.8993. It's literally a walk in the park trade as a result, because since price will not be retracing with such high probability, you're in line to take a trade like the no-touch, which is so easy to take because you're essentially saying, since price won't be getting back to the target price of the no-touch trade, this is pretty much a winner from the start because of that high probability. So I'm going to wait now for calculation of expiry here. Another great trade over many days of trades now. This is 17 days in a row now with the trades we've been taking with ITM Saturn Pro. And there we have expiration, $8,500 gross return for a net profit of $3,500. Thank you very much for watching. We'll be coming back to you shortly with many more.